Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. This episode is in the summertime. I'm finally not wearing a flannel. But anyways, regardless of that, behind me are my kitchen cabinets. I had a request to do an episode of how I hung my upper kitchen cabinets because they are suspended from the ceiling. I do things. So I have some tips for you of what to do and what not to do, so learn from my mistakes, because I do make plenty of mistakes. But anyways, here's how I did it. Here are my kitchen cabinets, and they are suspended from the ceiling. In the ceiling, what you can't see is, boop boop, I actually have structure where those poles go up. Before the house was drywalled, I installed some nailers because I knew I was putting kitchen cabinets here. I had to know exactly how big my cabinets were, how wide they were, and how far they were going to stick out, and what kind of hanging system I was planning on using for my cabinets. I had to know how to do all of that before the drywall was on. So a lot of pre-planning. If you notice, my support brackets are very simple. It is 3/4 inch galvanized pipe and 3/4 inch flanges. I have 1.5 to 2 inch long screws holding the flanges to my structure. Each one has 4 of them. Attached to the cabinet, they are not screws, they are actually bolts. Oh, maybe they are screws. Huh. Never mind. Never mind what I said. I guess they are screws now. I used to have bolts on them, but I replaced them because I had to move some things around, because when I first installed the cabinets, they were crooked. It's all coming back to me now. Thank you, Celine Dion. But they were first bolts, and now they're screws. The biggest problem you're gonna have with these plumbing flanges are the pipe where it connects to the flange itself. That is not perfectly 90 degrees, or the flange itself is not perfectly flat. You can see that there's a gap in some of them. I had to shim them on the bottom so that way when they meet up with the ceiling, they are straight. And more importantly, they are straight with each other, and they are straight parallel going down. That was the big thing. On the back of the cabinets, I had to dress them up, meaning they had to be finished. So I had to make sure my cabinets didn't get too big when I put extra wood on the back and the sides for finishing. I also finished up my cabinets with some custom steel barn trim. Well, I hope you learned a little bit about how I hung those kitchen cabinets. It wasn't the hardest thing to do, but you have to plan for it. And if you don't plan for it, be MacGyver it. Yeah, that's a thing, a word, action verb. Yeah. But anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for requesting this video. Hope I answered a little bit of it. Hope it helps. Hope. Anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye.